Today I will be doing another Korean corn dog. And today's gonna be, I think it's called fried potato corn dog. I don't know if that's what it's called. It's gonna be called that today. Well, instead of using fries, I'm actually gonna be using tater tots. Smaller when I put it on. It's kind of breaking up, but hey. So I have my other half of my pizza dough. If you've seen the video when I did the Fruity Pebble one, you know. I'm going to be using half my hot dog as well as the other half of the mozzarella. I know people use panko and you're supposed to dip it like in sugar. However, I have Frosted Flakes that I'm going to be using, and I know some people like, not only are you supposed to use panko and stuff, but then you say you don't want to use cereal in your corn dog on the last one, especially if you're using hot dog. And you're right, I did say that. However, I feel like this would pair good because I feel like the Frosted Flakes will still be a little crunchy. And then also too, you gotta put it with sugar afterwards, and they already have sugar in it. So I'm gonna use that. If you wanna use panko or whatever, go right ahead. And I'm gonna just have my ketchup and my cooking grease. Okay, I'm gonna put some of my cereal in. Okay, what I had to do, it wasn't giving Korean corn dog, it was giving Korean burrito. This is only with the cheese, so I had to like separate it. This part's gonna be with the hot dogs after I form it. And this part I then got the cheese. So now I'm gonna put the tater tots on it. I'm gonna put this in the freezer and try to get it firm up. I'm trying to save for the hot dog. You know what? Also, it wasn't working because I didn't have skewers. Alright, I'm gonna roll it. Try to form it. One thing about my corn dogs, you're gonna get full. Alright, and I'm gonna do the same, this one with the tater tots. I don't know how this is gonna come out. But it's gonna come out all in the grease. Put this in the freezer too, y'all. I have my cooking oil on medium heat. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop this in here. Every 3 seconds, I'm gonna flip it. Right now, it's not really looking like a potato corn dog, is it? It's looking like a fried baked potato that's about to explode. Yeah, it's big. Put this on the rack. When I tell you it's giving expanded fried football or a baked potato, nice twice baked. Well, it's been baked and fried. That's what it's look like. And you can't too much see the tater tots on it, so this just need to be a regular smuggler. Should have that cheese pull how big it is. Okay. A little something, okay. A little more than it was the other time. Let me get into this. Okay, it is good and it is crunchy, but I don't so much taste the sweet. It's like if you seen when I did the Fruity Pebbles, not the one I made, the one I bought. I was kind of hoping that it was gonna give roll bounce. Now I know some of y'all like roll bounce because I thought the sweetness was gonna be the sweetness was gone. The sweetness was fried away. And that's the same for this. So yeah, this need additional sugar. Like, you know how to put the sugar at the end of it? This needs sugar. Now I did put some cereal at the bottom. So let me see. At first I wasn't getting it, but that little part, last part that I took, actually tastes a little bit of sweetness. It's good, don't get me wrong. However, in order to taste the sweetness, parts I put at the bottom, thank God I put them at the bottom, which I said on the Fruity one that I made, which is not a problem. However, I feel like I still should sprinkle some sugar on this. I might as well make the regular version because the potatoes, tater tots, I don't taste it. It ain't on there. It don't fell off somewhere. Probably in the grease somewhere. The next time I need to have like a stick, and then also be able to like turn it. I see a lot of people like turn the cheese and the hot dog into it. That's what I need to do, as well as that stick. I feel like that is the key. I see why a lot of people use the fancy chefs. They use like drizzle bottles because they're thinner. Like the hot pour out is thinner. Let's pour out too much. I don't want all this ketchup on here. You're doing too much. Yeah, what I will rate it out is now, give it an 8. I will eat it again, definitely if it was free. And then it's also thick too. So buy it. It's gonna make you full, baby. I feel like this would go good with some hot dogs too. I just don't want to eat the other one with the hot dog because I feel like that would have been too much. I barely wanted all this. But yeah, I'm gonna eat it though. So, blessed day.